Welcome to this Confluence tutorial. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the basics of using Confluence, what it is, how to create pages, organize content, and collaborate with your team effectively. Now, Confluence is a collaboration and documentation platform by Atlassian. Think of it as your team's shared knowledge hub, where projects, meeting notes, and documentation live in one place. Unlike simple file storage, Confluence is structured, searchable, and built for teamwork. When you log in, the dashboard is your starting point. This dashboard will be visible to you. On the left, you will find spaces, recent pages, and a search bar. Spaces are like folders or departments. For example, a marketing space can store campaign plans, while an engineering space holds technical documentation. Likewise, each space has its own home page, pages, and permission. To add content, click the Create button. You can start with a blank page or choose from templates. The templates are visible on the page. Once you click on the Create button, you will see the templates are given like meeting notes, project plans, or product requirements. The editor feels familiar. It's like similar to Word or Google Docs. You can add headings, bullet list, tables, images, and even macros for dynamic content. For example, let's creating one page. Here you can see I have created a project. You can name the project however you like. You can add your team members, date, and then this project focuses on 5 whys analysis. This is the template I chose from the pages template. Here you can add your problems. Here the whys are given, and then the problem statement. Solution, owner, status, action items. So these are the templates. We can say this is a very business analyst friendly tool. Here are templates that are very much friendlier and very much visible for a user. Now, pages are organized hierarchically. Think parent page and child pages. This helps keep related content together. You can also link between pages so reader can jump easily from a project overview to detailed documentation. Keeping a clear structure makes navigation simple for your whole team. As you can see, this was the first template. Here you can see you can add your meeting notes, date, participant, whiteboard, discussion topics are given. You can edit your action items, decisions, and related materials. You can add the links you want to, like of Jira, Trello. If you want any database link, you can also add that. Or you can create your own database. Here, clicking on create, you can go to database. You can drag and drop your database, or you can create your own database. It is very convenient to create your own database here. As you can see, this is a text field, tag field, and user field. So you can edit this too. If you don't want a text, you can add media, number, date, tag, user, smart link. Now just to take an example, let's say we are adding here username. Here I want ID. So ID will be numerical. Here I want to add amount. So if I said 7,000. This is the number. So now in this database, you can add entry or you can also calculate. Calculate option provides you options according to your field name, like here field type, sorry. So like here the field type is number, so then your calculate options will be increased to sum, average, minimum, maximum. So according to that you can calculate the entries you want. Finding information is easy with the search bar. Confluence searches across titles, page content, and even comments. Collaboration is where Confluence shines. You can comment directly on a page. You can mention teammates using the at the rate symbol anywhere you want. Anywhere between your note, you can just mention your teammate and they will get notified. Need to track changes? Every page has version history. Here you can see, I have created few pages and this is all the version history. So you can always see edits and revert if needed. And that's a quick introduction to Confluence. You now know how to navigate spaces, create and format pages, and collaborate with your team. Explore these features, and soon you will be using Confluence as your team's single source of truth. Thanks for watching.